Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 103, binary tree zigzag level order traversal. So we have been given a root of a binary tree. We need to return the zigzag level order traversal of its nodes values from left to right, then right to left for the next level, and alternate between. So in this example we're going to be returning 3 and then 20 and 9 and then 15 and 7 in a zigzag order. For that, what we're gonna be doing is, like, first of all we're gonna say that if not root, if it is null or not, we're gonna be saying that return an empty array. Otherwise we're gonna start with our queue, which is gonna have the root. So we're gonna say that dq, and it's an array with initially with only root in it. Then we're gonna have two variables, result and direction. Result is empty, direction is initially 1, because our root is kind of gonna be from, it's only one element, but like we're still gonna say that it is going from left to right, and the next one is gonna be from right to left. So once we have initialized the variable, we're gonna say that while there is some element in the queue, we're gonna initialize our level as an empty array, and then we're gonna say for I inside in the range of length of queue. So whatever number of elements are there whatever number of elements are there in the queue, for that much, what we're gonna be doing is, like, we're gonna be doing few things. One thing we're gonna do is, like, we're gonna say that we're gonna remove the element from the queue. Queue dot pop left. Okay, and that the element which is gonna come out, we're gonna call it node. So the first thing we did that. Now we know that that element is gonna get appended to the level. So we're gonna say that level dot append just the value, because we are returning the value is not the node itself. So the level is gonna get appended with the we're gonna append the value of that node inside the level. Now if that node dot left exists, in that case we're gonna say that the queue, we're gonna add that element to the queue dot append node dot left. Similarly, if the node dot right exists, we're gonna say that the queue dot append node dot right. Okay, and after that we're gonna say that the result, we can add the level to the result, but in this case we want to make sure that the direction is right. So we're gonna say that it's gonna be every other first element and the direction element, but the direction, because we're gonna be making it 1 or -1, that will be like either we are going from right to left or left to right, and we're gonna keep the direction every single time by just multiplying it with -1, and in the end we're gonna be returning the result. It's append not add. We have a problem here. So while we have the queue, we are initializing our level as an empty array, and then we are saying that the for I in range the length of the queue, we are saying that take the node by popping it from the queue. Then we are saying that the level is gonna, yes, that is right. And then we are saying that if the left of that node exists, uh, what we're gonna be doing is like we're gonna be appending that to the queue, and if the right exists, we're gonna be appending the right. And then what we're saying is like the result is gonna, oh, this is gonna be once we are out of that for loop. So yes, once we are out of this for loop, let's see how it does for the other test cases. Yep, and it passed all the test cases.